Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We from group 8A5 will be doing our group presentation for MEM560 manufacturing process. The chosen company for this particular assignment is Spitzer Berhad Malaysia. First, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Izzat Amir bin Ahmad Nizamuddin and here is my group members. First, Muhammad Azim bin Muhammad Fauzi. Second, Muhammad Faris bin Nur Syahidan. Third one is Shazwan bin Suhaili. Fourth is Luqman Hakim bin Muhammad Alkaf. And the last one is Muhammad Aimanul Hakim bin Watih. Now, let me start with the introduction and background of the company. Spitzer Berhad Malaysia is established in the late 1989. Spitzer Group of companies is comprised of 8 subsidiaries that specialize in the manufacturing and distribution of natural mineral water, sparkling natural mineral water, distilled drinking water, carbonated fruit flavored drink, non-carbonated fruit flavored drink, and functional drink. Figure below shows the 8 subsidiary companies that is related for the production of Spitzer. First is Chuan Sin Sdn Berhad, which is assigned as the production of natural mineral water, carbonated flavored water, distilled water, drinking water, and non-carbonated flavored water. Second is Golden PET Industries, which was assigned for manufacturing and selling of PET preforms, bottles, caps, toothbrushes, and other plastic products. Third one is Chuan Sin Cactus Sdn Berhad, is for distribution of bottled water and other consumer products. The fourth one is PET Master Sdn Berhad, which is for manufacturing and selling of PET preforms. The fifth one is Assignement Sdn Berhad, is also for manufacturing and selling the bottled water. The sixth one is the Spitzer Eco Park Sdn Berhad, it is for the operator of a mini golf course and recreational park. The seventh one is Spitzer Hong Kong Limited, which is for the investment holding. And the last one is Spitzer Guangzhou Trading Limited, which is for distribution of bottled water and other consumers product. The group goes to great lengths to protect its vast 330-acre site of natural mineral water sources in Taiping, Perak from pollution and damage. With water quality and sustainability in mind, Spitzer has from the beginning prioritized the integrity, quality, safety, and purity of the natural mineral water produced from this location. Spitzer manufacturing plants are equipped with automatic and advanced bottling technology, manned by highly qualified professionals to ensure that Spitzer product is exceptionally high quality, deserving the many awards it has won. For more information, Spitzer bottles are 35% lighter, which means less material is needed to produce the bottles, hence reducing the carbon footprint. These lightweight bottles, which come with a unique twist and recycle feature, allow customers to twist the bottle easily after consuming the water, which saves up to 57% of recycling space. The use of PET, including for the bottles and labels and cap, ensures that the bottle can be fully recycled. The picture at the top right of the slide shows the production line of the Spitzer mineral water. Here are the examples of the product produced by the Spitzer Berhad. First, we have Spitzer, which is mineral, distilled, and RO water. We have Cactus, mineral and distilled water. We have Summer, a reverse osmosis bottle produced from its plant in Shah Alam. Next, Dacer, a low price mineral water brand. And then Spitzer Sparkling, which is carbonated mineral water. Spitzer Plus Fiber, which is a drink that contains soluble dietary fiber. Tinge, which is fruit flavored non-carbonated mineral water. And lastly, Pop, a lightly carbonated fruit flavored mineral. And the photo below shows all the products that is produced by Spitzer Malaysia. Now, I will talk about the awards that was given to the Spitzer Berhad Malaysia. First, we have Asia Excellence Brand Award 2016 for third consecutive years. Second, the People's Award, Putra Brand Awards 2015 Gold. Third one is Industry Excellence Award 2003 awarded by Ministry of International Trade and Industry Malaysia. Asia Pacific Bottled Water Company of the Year by Frost and Sullivan for 7 consecutive years. Number 1 natural mineral water brand in Peninsular Malaysia by Nielsen. And next is Trusted Brand Platinum Award by Reader's Digest for 16 consecutive years. And lastly is the best brand of mineral water by the brand Lurid for 4 consecutive years. And on the right side, we shows more example of awards that was given to the spritzer industry. Spritzer.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azim bin Muhammad Fauzi and I will be presenting manufacturing process and technologies applied. Product line of the companies are automated by using art bottling technologies for manufacturing such as mineral water, drinking water, carbonate or non-carbonate drinks and packaging bottle. It also using product-oriented layout in the manufacture process. This layout produces high volume and high equipment utilization in a continuous production. It can be explained as machine process, move from one part to another part. These are the process of manufacturing of bottle. First, resin and preform. The company will acquire their own resin on the Husky departments. Then it will be put into the preform. Amount of resin will be depending on the size of bottle. Then the blowing process. Preform will be going through a machine that working on blowing the preform on a desired volume. Next, the rinsing process. The bottle will be rinsed to clean up the bacteria contained inside. This process also helps to remove the odor smell on it. Step 4 is filling process. Water amount will be adjusted based on the bottle volume. It will be an automated process by the machine based on different category of water. Then, cap washer and capping process. The cap washer will release the water for cleaning work on every capsule that pass through it. The system is used on capping the bottle after it had been filling up by the water. Next, labeling part. The labeling sticker will cover around the bottle and the sticker contain the information of the product. Step 7, process number 7 is shrink tunnel work. This process uses a machine on the purpose of locking the capsule on the bottle properly. It also helps on locking the label on the bottle too. After that, a temperature machine on 120 degrees Celsius will be used on distilled water on the surface of the bottle. It will release high temperature of steams, which to ensure the bottle remain in drying form. Then, quality assurance. The machine will be checked for the water label and to make sure the label product is correctly applied. Then, the finished good will be sent to be wrapped around case packer for packaging work. Finally, after the goods were finished assigned, it will be palletizing to a canton based on the demand of ordering.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Nur Syaidan. Today I want to present to you about the defect or quality issues occurred from the process. This is the defect or quantity issues that occurred from the blow molding process. Okay. As we can see, the first one is a hole. Hole can appear at any point during the blow molding process. There are many reasons cause the hole, but there are a few of the most common one. There are 3 common that are at here. The first one is the contamination in the plastic container. This can happen anytime or any place in the container because the contamination does not expand like plastic. The area surrounding the contamination become too thin and it will result a hole at the container. The second one is the improper material distribution result in thin section of the material being stretched to the point of the forming a hole. And the last one is the mold wear or improper setup. If the two holes of the mold does not close properly, the blow out through the gap and cause the hole. This is possible in any process if the pitch of the parison properly to seal the top or bottom. A leak can develop at the top of an extraction blow molding or EBM problem. Then we go to the second one of the problem or the defect. The second defect is the air pocket. The air pocket can also form when using injection blow molding machinery. When the bubbles become trapped in the finished product, not only they are alter appearance but they can also weaken the product. The third one is the flash. The flash is the most typical problem in injection blow molding. A little flap of thin plastic material that lingers on the borders of a finished product is what it is. This is usually happen when the material gets stuck on the outside of the mold and solidifies. And the last one, this is a problem of the problem with the flow lines is that they stand out of the other area. Usually, this appear near the gate point. As with flash, this defect does not alter the functional of your injection blow molding product, but it does take away from the appearance. The second defect are from bottle capping process. The capping of bottles is a crucial step in a variety of production process. Failures in bottle capping such as cook cap, a loose cap, no cap, or a fractured bottle. It can result in major leak during packaging or shipping. Furthermore, the existence of this capping difficulty may have a negative impact on customer satisfaction with product quality. As we can see, this is the good one of the good cap. This is the cook cap, and this is the loose cap, and this is no cap. The third one is the defect of the plastic packaging process. Uneven sealing surface. The one of the most important part of the packaging system is the top area where the bottle is sealed. If the bottle top is unevenly manufactured, it can result in an improper seal and increase the chance of the product contamination. An uneven seal will also undermine the perception of your brand to consume, which is no one would purchase a product if the seal is compromised or the top of the bottle is defect. As we can see, this one is the defect on the top, and this is the good one. Then we go to the excess bottom flash. The bottle that does not stand up properly can cause big problem from your brand. Imagine the bottle display on retail shelf that are tightening, uneven, or falling over. Even worse is when the bottles are not stable for consumer to store at home. This is the big issue that can cause by excess bottle flash that is not removed during the manufacturing process. If this excess material is not removed properly, bottle will unstable and not stand right. This is the worst problem in the plastic packaging process. In addition, excess flash can poor printing surface and a mediocre brand impression. Thank you. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shazwan bin Shuaili. Today I'm going to present about the elements of IR 4.0 or Industrial Revolution adopted by this company. Industry 4.0 refers to the transformation of industry through the intelligent networking of machines and processes with the help of information and communication technology (ICT) that is characterized by its adaptability, flexibility, and efficiency that allows it to cover customer needs in the current market. There are 9 elements involved in Industry 4.0. Big data. The industry can benefit from data analytics and pattern recognition to reduce downtime and waste. The data collected can be used to do predictive maintenance also. Simulation. It can be used to create a virtual environment of the factory using real-time data and analyze productivity before making a modification in the factory. Internet of Things is an ecosystem in which all sensors and actuators have the ability to work independently while communicating with each other. Autonomous robot make it easier, faster, smarter to transfer raw materials, half-finished things, and finished goods. Their work use a complex logic process, which is coding, which means they don't need to follow a predetermined path to complete their tasks. Cloud computing. The cloud is a remote system that may be accessed via the internet from anywhere. Such online application nowadays is Shopee, Lazada, Amazon, and others online application. Cybersecurity. The prime purpose of cybersecurity is to prevent such a disaster from virus while also securing the server's data and performance. Augmented reality. Technology of the real world that is created through the use of digital visual elements, music, or other sensory stimulation. 3D printing, make prototypes and concept which is flexibility in manufacturing technique that allow to design a complex structure, which mean that is nearly to the conventional manufacturing. System integration. Every device and system at the same level of production in the same facility or elsewhere is linked to one another, which means even they are separated, but they're using the same system. IR 4.0 that is adopted by the Spritzer company according to their report. They has invested in new fully automated and high-speed production lines and a new automated storage and retrieving system ASRS warehouse with the international standard green building features. Leading manufacturing performance monitoring system such as live view effectively and efficiency capture and monitor production performance and provide real-time performance data, which helps in timely action plans to improve production line overall equipment effectiveness. The new SRS in Taipei plant was completed in early 2020 to accommodate higher production and sales volume. The commissioning of the ASRS has certainly improved supply chain management and efficiency. Spritzer company also involves smart factory transformation, digitalization of transaction, and big data analytics. Thus, the ASRS warehouse help optimize the available space, increase efficiency, and ease the movement of forklift trucks. The automated system also reduce manual tasks and improve cost optimization for vendors and customers. Spritzer has used technology to process orders and procurement via their warehouse management system WMS. This enables the administrator and control warehouse operation efficiently from the times goods and materials that enter the ASRS warehouse to the time they move out. The processes within the WMS system, as opposed to the conventional system, enable faster turnaround time and increased cost saving. The application of innovative technology solutions in manufacturing processes and in the integration of enterprise resourcing planning ERP in various operations have enhanced Spritzer overall operation efficiency by covering broad and deep operational end-to-end processes from the supply chains operation to accounting. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Luqman Hakim bin Muhammad Al-Kaf, and I would like to present sustainable development goals and sustainable manufacturing for the company Spritzer. Okay, let's get going. Introduction for Spritzer's SDG. At Spritzer, they integrate the principles of sustainability into their business goals and strategies to strengthen their position as a top brand of mineral water products in Malaysia. Along with acting in an environmentally responsible manner, they also incorporate the social and economic impacts of our actions to ensure they benefit and contribute to the greater good of society. So here are the list of goals. So there are three goals. The first one is for economic, the second one is for environmental, and the third one is for the social. Okay, so for the first one, which is economic, so the first one is aim to be an industry 4.0 factory and has invested in new fully automatic and high speed production line. This will help to improve the production of mineral water. The second one is increase in investment for IT department and cyber security. This will avoid the IT system from being hacked and the data from being stolen. So the third one is to collaborate with other MNCs and the FMCG industry in order to recycling efforts on customer packaging. For the second one, which is for the environment. Okay, the first one is a new ASRS warehouse with international standard green building features. This will avoid pollution from happening. So the second one is installation of solar panels at our plant. Met the target of 1,100 tons of carbon dioxide savings in year 2020. Solar panels can help the platform to save more electrical energy as it is a renewable energy. So the third one is recycling machines have been placed at different locations at malls, shopping malls to promote simpler, hygienic and more modern way of recycling. This will help people to recycle their stuff as they doesn't need to go to the recycling center which is sometimes located far away from their home. For the third one, for social. The first one is achieve an A grade awarded by the Department of Occupational Safety and Health DOSH on factory and machinery inspection and occupational safety and health workplace with a 90.67% and another grade A in OSHA Physical and Documents Audit with a 92.69% awarded by the DOSH. For the second one is for 31.70% of the total CSR expenditure with focus on funding and sponsorship for disaster relief and humanitarian aid, especially for the healthcare workers and other workers during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman Hakim MEM560 and I will present about the latest technology that can be adopted by the company, which is the Sdn Bhd to improve their product. So there are a few technology that can be adopted by the company to improve its production. So one of the technology is the multi-layer technology plastic packaging. So this technology will help to provide oxygen, carbon dioxide or a light barrier during the production to keep the beverages more fresh and gluten-rich. Thus will help to enhance the package shelf life. This is due to the barrier that retain the carbon dioxide and protects against oxygen and light. Its raw material use PET and thus make it more recyclable. By using PET, it can help to reduce waste of plastic. So this technology is great as it's follow the guide by SDG or sustainable manufacturing. So as we all know, the company is also adapt some IR 4.0 technology, which is SRS, Live View, and WMS. By following these few IR 4.0, the company also can use simulation. This simulation can help for R&D, which can help to produce more good products, packaging, or can foresee any future problem, thus helps it to prevent. This also will estimate use of raw material and avoid any waste during the process. Besides that, by using simulation, the company can also use it for research and development by researching new products or packaging which more eco-friendly and more suitable to the earth and can be recyclable, thus making its company to boost its image. As simulation can also foresee any future problem, this can help it to prevent from happening. So another IR 4.0 technology that can be adopted by the company is by using the augmented reality. So augmented reality can help the worker to troubleshoot the program which have the problems during the production. Thus can help it to reduce any cost and does not rely on human supervisor at all time, and also make it the worker easy to see which parts that needs to be changed. So augmented reality can also be used to train new workers as it provides an overview of all the machinery or parts during the production. So that's all for some technology that the company can adopt to improve its production. Thank you.
Reference part. Here are the sources that we get from in order to finish our presentation. Okay, here is our proof minute of meeting that we do in order to finish our discussion for this presentation. So as we can see, all of our group members, not all, but some of our group members are at the college, so it's easier for us to do face-to-face meeting. So it is easier for us instead of doing online meeting, which is sometimes there are tons of problems that could happen, such as internet stabilization, connection, and whatsoever. So yeah. So here is our proof of our discussion through WhatsApp group. So in this WhatsApp group, we will discuss to giving tasks to each members. So in order to make sure the message arrive perfectly, we use WhatsApp platform because this is one of the most famous platforms that people use nowadays in their smartphones. So that's all from our group. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum.